Welcome to the presentation of the use case number 2 on the spot firearm seizure registration and the cross-border data search. 3 organizations were involved in this task. These are ITTI from the Toulouse University, French Ministry of Interior, also ITTI from the Poland. The aim of the use case number 2 is based on automatically identification of the brand and model of seized firearm on the spot, like at the crime scene, for example. This will allow for subsequent search or update of information in relevant inter or national databases. Use case number 2 has got major challenges to be handled, like extremely high variance in firearm appearance, extremely large number of firearm types that needs to be supported in application, very frequent incidents of missing and or altered firearm information and characteristics. We have decided to develop native application for Android operating system. This application is primarily designed for LIA officers and should assist them during their duties. We can achieve this goal by adding the AI model to recognize firearms. Also, the application works with the ceasefire database, and this application generates and sends the reports to the platform for the cross-analysis function, which can be performed by other analytics modules. This slide presents the data flow of the application. As you can see, the LIA officer can take the picture directly from the camera of the smartphone, or LIA officers can choose the pictures from the internal gallery of smartphone. Then, LIA officers can send these pictures to the AI model, and after some time, AI model sends its response with the most likely weapons. After that, LIA officers can prepare the report, which can be sent to the ceasefire platform. Let's talk about technology stack of the use case number 2. The left bottom box represents the Android application. We have decided to develop native application in Kotlin language. Moreover, we decided to support the Android 15. The right bottom box represents the AI module. The AI module is written in PyTorch framework and Python. Moreover, on the top there is a box which contains the old technology for the server. This server hosts the AI module in use case number 2. During this presentation, we will present 2 scenarios. First of them is based on recognition procedure for the similar firearms. We will show you how AI model will handle with similar guns like AK-47 and AKS-74. During the second scenario, we will show the results of the AI model for the firearm, which will be a little bit covered by the hand. So let us begin with the presentation of the application. First of all, we will show how the application looks like. At the beginning, application requires to authenticate the client. In ceasefire project, KeyCloak is deployed as a main authentication service for every application project. After providing all credentials to the KeyCloak, we were able to log into the application. As you can see, the application contains 5 main layouts. First of them is the home layout, which contains the major information of the application. The second view is the camera view, and by this view we are able to take the picture of the firearm. Now you are able to see how the whole procedure of taking the pictures looks like in the third person view. After the taking of the picture, we can save or delete this image. As you can see, we have saved this image into the gallery. As you can see, we are going to recognition layout. We are going to choose the first image from the list. It's the newest image, and we are going to send the request to the AI model. After some time, we will get the response from the server with AI with the list of the 5 most likely weapons. As you can see, we get the list of the 5 most likely weapons with their confidential level. We are going to send report, adding the report title, location and description for this report. You have predefined information like officer ID or the file name of the image. And as you can see, the report has been sent properly to the ceasefire database. Now we are going to present the first scenario with the similar weapons. During the first attempt, we will take the bad picture. It means that item in the picture not fill fully the red box. To get the best results, the item should fulfill red box entirely. We are going to save the image and we will choose the image for the recognition procedure from the camera view. The application asks that the image is choosing properly. As you can see, we have been transferred directly to the recognition view. Again, we have sent the request for the AI model to get the list of the 5 most likely weapons. As you can see, the AI model recognized properly the item in the image. We are going to archive those values for the future. We will compare those values in the second image of the same item. This item has been taken more properly because the item fulfills the red box entirely. As you can see, the values are different. Let's compare those results. As you can see, we have gotten for the first attempt weaker confidence level than for the second attempt. The quality of the image is very important for the recognition process. So we are going to take the pictures for the AKS 74U. The procedure of taking images is very similar to the previous attempts. Now we are trying to fulfill the red box by the item. So let's see how this procedure looked in third person view. It looks like that everything is alright, so we can save this image. We are going to recognition layout and we will choose the image for the AK74U. We have sent a request to the AI model. And we got the results from the AI model. As you can see, AI model recognized properly the item from the image. AK74U has gotten highest score. Let's compare results from the recognition procedure of the AKS47 and AKS74U. Despite the weapon's common features, AI model is able to recognize items properly. We are going to proceed with the second scenario, where the firearm will be a little bit covered by the hand. The procedure is the same like the previous ones. We need to fulfill red box by the item in the picture. It seems that everything is alright, so we can save this image. So let's see what it looked like from the third person view. It seems that everything is alright, so you can save this image into the gallery. And now we are going to recognition layout and we will choose the latest image. We are sending the request to the AI model. And we got the results from the AI model. As you can see, despite being covered by the hand, AI model recognized probably the gun. The gun is the Springfield XDS. So this is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your attention.